วัสดีครับ
สวัสดีค่ะ
Okay, so I'm with Kun Pornpan, who's the owner of Imoki Auto Boutique. So we're gonna ask her what she's gonna offer us today at this quite lovely car interior shop. So Kun Pornpan, what kind of products do you offer at iMUKi Auto Boutique?
So we have leather car seats and
Leather and PVC and synthetic leather and many types of materials.
Yes, we have PVC, we have the premium grade of synthetic leather, we have genuine leather, we have premium genuine leather.
What kind of pricing
The price?
Start from how much to how much?
Yeah, right now.
In general?
Yeah, in general is around 6,000 something for one set, for the whole set. Start from the eco car, small car.
So for eco cars, the price starts at only 6,000 baht.
Yes,
So that's not much actually.
But that's for PVC.
Okay, just for PVCs. But I think at Imoki you have a special material called MUKA.
Yeah, we call MUKA leather.
So that's how much is that?
That right now,
In general?
In general, the price is around
10,000.
10,000 for one set.
So if it's PVC 6,000 baht starting price, and if it's MUKA leather starting at 10,000 baht.
Yes.
Do you have then compared to real leather? If it's genuine leather, how much?
Okay, the genuine leather, we will have like only the surface that has the genuine leather, and the size and the headrest and the door panels are PVC. The price starting from 13,000.
So 13,000 is a combination of
Yes.
real leather and synthetic and PVC,
Yes,
right?
yes.
Okay, so can we look around?
Yes. ค่ะ คุณคิง there's some sample of MUKA leather and what's your car model please?
Actually, I'm here, because my daughter bought a new car and that model doesn't have a leather interior. So the showroom suggested we come here to Imoki Auto Boutique to buy the leather interior over here. So actually, this is MUKA leather, which is really nice.
So,
But this is not real leather. It's
It's
synthetic leather.
yes, it's the premium synthetic leather with what is it? The advantage of this product. This one is soft touch. Have the soft touch. If you
It's very
try.
soft, right?
Yeah, and also
Feels very delicate.
yeah, when you sit for drive car for a long time, you don't feel like hot at your
So it's like
seat, yeah, and also you have many color to select. And if for the Suzuki
Swift.
The inside the interior color is black. I think it can fit for any color. And I'm not sure that.
I think my daughter, she goes for the light color, something like
color?
this, I guess.
Oh, okay, this one is light gray. I think it's pretty.
Yeah, and Suzuki doesn't offer anything like this in the
Okay.
Swift lineup. So if you buy a Swift and you want something nice, you gotta go for aftermarket stuff like this.
And this is our hero product.
And the number one
Yeah.
product.
From our shop, and you cannot find it anywhere except
It's
here.
exclusive to Imoki.
Imoki, yeah.
Okay. Hey, Kun Pornpan, so how many customers do you have over here at Imoki, like per month?
It's around 10,000
mean-
per year. I mean, per
10,000 per year.
year.
So per month is like 1,000 cars per month. So what kind of cars come here to get all these things done?
Actually, mainly in Japanese cars,
Japanese cars mainly.
eco car like Swift, City,
Honda
Jazz,
City,
yeah.
Jazz.
something like that.
Okay.
Yaris.
The smaller ones. And then how about the vans, the MPV?
Yes, we also.
These are like MPV seats, aren't they?
Yeah, this is like VIP for Staria. The Hyundai Staria, the new model. We also do the VIP car for van.
And Volkswagen van, stuff like that too?
Still mainly in Japanese car or
Uh-huh.
Korean car.
Mainly
yeah.
Japanese and Korean cars. Okay, and okay, Kun Pornpan, so what do customers look for when they come to Imuki Auto Boutique?
Our customer come here, just some of them would like to change from fabric to leather for easier to clean. And some of them would like to change the mood in the car.
So become more luxurious,
Yeah, and
more
also the color.
feeling, and the color as well.
More like sometimes come with the black interior, but want to change to red color, something like that. And here they also expect the quality of product with reasonable price and also our after sale service.
So how big a selection of products do you have here? What?
The material and the color.
So how many colors do you have?
Okay, for MUKA, I think we have 11 color, 11 shades. So you can select any color that match with your car.
So you have a black, white, brown, red,
tan, red wine,
pink, maybe.
red, pink. Yeah, we used to do the pink one, but right now, okay, it's
Not so popular.
Yeah,
Okay, what's the most popular color for?
it's black and red wine, and also tan.
Black, red wine, and tan. So these are.
Yeah, because the customer always reference the BMW color,
Oh,
like the tan, the red wine, something like that.
so apart from the mood changes, the luxury that you get, what are the other benefits of changing from fabric upholstery to this kind of material?
Okay, from fabric, they can adopt a lot of dust and also smell. So I think leather is easy to clean, and when you spill your coffee,
Drink,
yeah,
perhaps, yeah.
just only wipe off. That's all. And I would suggest to take care of the leather.
Oh yeah, how do you
So
take
only-
care of
yeah,
this leather?
Only the damp clothes to wipe off. And if it's too much dirty, maybe use a little bit of baby shampoo and wipe it off with the damp clothes.
Can we use the waxing or anything like that?
I would suggest to avoid the wax,
Uh-huh.
and also be careful of the hand gel, sunscreen, lotion, and alcohol gel because it will damage your leather. And if they have like a
Stain.
stain, some lotion stain, better to clean up
That,
monthly.
so okay, if I spill something on
You have
this,
to
so
wipe it off.
wipe off immediately, so to
Yes.
prevent any stains from occurring.
Yes.
But no chemicals needed to.
No.
Just a damp cloth,
So,
wipe
yeah.
it. That's it. Okay. Okay, so just after a few hours, everything is done. So let's go have a look at the new interior of the Suzuki Swift. Wow. So this used to be black, but you know, now it's like really nice color and the feeling. Very nice and soft. And the stitching is really nice, also the detailing over here. It doesn't look like a aftermarket, it looks like original equipment actually. Nice work. Well, Kun Pornpan, so how long does it take to do one car? If you bring the car today, how many days will it take for you to finish the job?
Okay, for the eco car, we can finish it within 1 day.
1 day?
Yes, if you come to our factory in Bangpu,
Bangpu is in Samut Prakarn province.
yes, it takes around 3 to 4 hours.
For eco car.
Yes.
So that's pretty quick.
But if you come to our shop, the day that installation day, in Udom Suk, it will take 1 day. Like leave the car at 9 o'clock and we'll pick up around 5 or 6.
Okay, so you come in the morning, pick up the car in the evening.
Within 1 day.
So where exactly is the Imoki Auto Boutique location?
Right now we have 4 branches. We have here Udom Suk 25th.
So this is
In
Sukhumvit,
Manga.
Sukhumvit 103.
Yes. This is our showroom. We have our branch in Saraburi.
Saraburi
Yes.
province.
We have our branch in Yangon, Myanmar.
In Myanmar as well.
Yes. And the new one, we have our branch in Udon Thani.
So Udon Thani is your latest branch,
Yes.
the fourth
Just
place.
opened in October last month.
Okay, so you're expanding business as well.
Yes.
Good for you.
And here our shop open from Monday to Saturday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. You can come and visit our product, and we have many products like leather car seats, car camera, and accessory, and also film, ceramic frame.
I also saw you have floor mats as well, and you can do the steering wheel, the cover as well. Good. So we'll leave the address and phone number of Imoki at the bottom, so check it out. Well, I think it's okay for today. Thanks for
Thank you very
having me
much.
today, and if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to press like, share or subscribe to our channel to be updated with our latest content. Well, that's all for me today. Bye bye.